Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to record voice over DaVinci Resolve. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, here I have this clip to which I want to make a voiceover recording. The first step is to go here. Then we will position ourselves in the part where we want to start recording. Then right-click here, Add Track. And here, we will change the name to VoiceOver. Now, click on No Input and change it to Input. Here on the left, we'll select our microphone. Patch. Now, to start recording your voice, you'll click here and then here. In case you want to record your voice, but the audio from the clip is getting in the way, do the following. Click here to mute the clip, and you can record your voice. Then click again on M to unmute the clip once you have recorded your voice. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.